All right, so now we are moving on to the Intro to Multiplication unit test. As usual for unit tests, I will, instead of explaining my work, I will be just pausing for a moment, letting you pause the video if you wish, in order to figure out the work by yourself or figure out the answer by yourself, and then I will just give the answer and move on. So let's go. 4 times blank equals 7 times 4. That's 7. Use the following image to find the total number of otters. Find me the total number of otters. Well, 6 times 2 is 12. What expression could you use to calculate this number of squares? Well, there's only one that could be, and that's 5 times 5. For a baking competition, 7 people made 9 desserts. Which expression could we use to find the total number of desserts made for the baking competition? So I'm not even going to bother showing the answers. What expression can we use to find the total number of desserts made for the baking competition? That's going to be 7 times 9. Use the image below to fill in the blanks. There are 4 8s, so there are 32 chickens in all. Jen says the image represents 4 times 8 or 4 groups of 8. What is another way Jen could represent the image? Well, that would be 8 times 4. Mikai, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Hold on. My screen just turned into... My screen just did the nightlight thing because I'm an old man and I'm usually asleep by now. Yes, you are learning math through Twitch. And I'm glad that you're here. I am very glad that you're here. But this is a unit test, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it first. And thank you for your follow. In fact, Mikai Owo, I am going to go ahead and leave this interaction in when I put the video on YouTube later on. Thank you for being here. Thank you for following. I appreciate you so much. What expression could we use to calculate the number of flowers? Well, it looks like 7 times 3 to me. What 2 expressions does the number line represent? Well, it looks like 6 times 8 and 8 plus 8 6 times. Literally 6 times. Again, that's where the word comes from. What 2 expressions represent the following picture? I'm sure you can figure them both out without me having to show you the answers. That looks like 7 times 9 to me, which is also 9 times 7. Complete the equation. 2 times blank equals 9 plus 9. That's just another way of saying 2 times 9. Complete the table to make 3 equivalent expressions. Well, that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5s to me, which is 7 times 5. One more. 9 times blank equals 36. Mikai is absolutely killing it right now, getting all of the answers correct so far. That's 9 times 4. that's the unit test. Okay, so we've done this introduction to multiplication. Let's back out into third grade.